Good morning, students. Today we'll start with question number 7. Last time we did up to question number 6. Hope all you completed your notebook, graph book as well as the assignment. Today we'll go to question number 7. Question number 7 is given. Plot the point. Some points are given. A is given. A is how much given? 2, 3. B is given as 6 and minus 1. And C is given as 0 and 5. C is given as 0 and 5. These 3 points we have to plot. Okay. First we'll plot the points. We'll see what the question is there. A 2, 3. A 2, 3. Which coordinate will come first coordinate? 2, 3. This is the point. Yeah. A is x is 2, y is 3. I'll put a dot here. See here. X coordinate is what? 2. Y coordinate is 3. Yeah. This is your A. Any doubt? Now B coordinate 6 and minus 1. Plus and minus. Which coordinate? Fourth coordinate. 6 and minus 1. This is B coordinate. 6 and minus 1. C 0 and 5. X coordinate is 0. 0 means what? Axis. So x is 0, so y axis 0 and 5. So this is your C. Now what is the question? We have plotted the point, all the points here. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. The question is given now as if these points are collinear. Now what is the meaning of collinear? You are studying in your first chapter. All the points are in same line. Yeah, draw a line. I'll use a other pen. Okay. I'll use the other pen for you. Okay. Now see a student. Other points here. We'll join the points. With the help of the scale. Okay, see, all the points have come in one line. Okay, they are collinear. They are collinear. If they are collinear, then write the coordinates of the point of intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. Now, first what we did, we plotted the point A, we plotted the point B, we plotted the point C, and we draw the line. We can see that all the points are coming in one line. That's called as in all these points are collinear. Yes, they are collinear. Okay, you have to write the answer. Yes, they are collinear. Yes, they are collinear. You have to write this on the right hand side. If they are collinear, now you have to say these are collinear, then this line, when you draw the line, it intersect x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis here and y-axis here. What is the answer? Okay, the point intersect, the coordinates of the point intersection on x-axis and y-axis are, okay, the coordinates, I'll write here properly, the coordinates which intersect x-axis. What is the answer? X-axis का आंसर क्या है? ये पॉइंट है तो क्या हुआ? 5, 0 and y-axis touching where here. So what's the answer? Here x coordinate is 0. Answer is what? 0, 5. That's enough. Once again I repeat. First you have to plot the point. After plotting the point, draw the line. If all the points comes in one line, then we say the points are collinear, as they are collinear. If they are collinear, then this line intersect x-axis and y-axis. What is the coordinate? So this line intersect where? X-axis. Okay, what is the coordinate here? 5, 0. X-axis means y coordinate 0. So the coordinate which intersect x-axis is what? 5, 0, and y-axis is what? 0, 5. That's enough. Any doubt, students? Go to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Okay. Okay. I'm erasing it. Okay. Now see the 8th question. See the 8th question. What is the 8th question tells you? Draw the graph of the following equation on the same coordinate system and write the coordinates of these points of the intersection. So there are 4 equations are given. The first equation is right here. x plus 4 is equal to 0, है ना, the first one, and the second is y minus 1 is equal to 0, and the third equation is given as 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, and the fourth equation is 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. These are the four equations they are given. Okay, first we'll draw the lines, that's important. First line, what is the first equation? X plus 4 is equal to 0. So we'll solve first, you have to important, and please solve this on the right hand. This should be written on the right hand side of the graph. What is the first equation? X plus 4 is equal to 0. ये प्लस 4 उधर जाए तो क्या होगा? -4. So x is equal to -4. Where is -4, student? -4 is here. Okay, so first line. -4 with the help of the scalar, x is equal to -4. Second equation, write the equation. X is equal to -4. Okay, come to the second equation. What is the second equation given for you, students? Y minus 1. What is here? Y minus 1. Y minus 1. I'll solve this one, second one. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 हो जाए तो क्या होगा? Plus. Y1 is equal to 1. Where is Y1 is equal to? Here. Take a scale. Draw a line. This is Y is equal to 1. Draw a big line. Okay. Second equation. Any doubt, students? Now come to the third equation. Third equation. What is the third equation given now? Third equation. Okay. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. You have to find out the value of x. Plus 3 उधर जाए तो क्या होगा? -3. 2x is equal to -3. x is equal to -3 by 2. -3 by 2 इसको डिवाइड करेगा तो कितना आएगा? -1.5 आएगा. तो डिवाइड करो, 3 को 2 से डिवाइड करो, क्या आएगा? -1.5. -1.5 क्या आएगा? x ना, ये -1 है और -2 है, -1.5 इधर आएगा. ओके, दिस इज द पॉइंट. ओके, understand? -1.5. Take a scale and draw a straight line. This is x is equal to -1.5. Okay, any doubt, students? Okay, now come to the next question. Fourth question, equation. What is the fourth equation? The equation is 3y minus 15. 3y, fourth one, minus 15 is equal to 0. You have to find out the value y. Take -15 that side. 3y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 कहाँ पे? I think here. This is 4. This is 5. So I'll draw a straight line. Any doubt here up to here? देख लो एक बार वापस, कोई डाउट है? We got all how many equations? We got how many? Now 4 equations. First line, x plus 4 मतलब x is equal to -4. Then y minus 1 मतलब y is equal to कितना आएगा? 1. Y is equal to 1. This is the line. Then 2x plus 3. तो सॉल्व किया तो कितना आएगा? x is equal to -1.5. x minus 1 और -2 के बीच में. Fourth one, 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 upon 3 means y is equal to how much? 5. Y is equal to 5. Now the question is given. Write down the point coordinates of the point of intersection. Point of intersection मतलब क्या होता है? जब लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होता है. कहाँ का हुआ? देखो, एक पॉइंट है, इसको मैं नाम देता है A, इसको नाम देता हूँ मैं B. इंटरसेक्ट हुआ दो लाइन सब, इसको नाम देगा मैं C, इसको नाम दूंगा D. इसका मुझे कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करने. क्या करने का? कोऑर्डिनेट. कोऑर्डिनेट मतलब x कोऑर्डिनेट और y कोऑर्डिनेट दोनों की. अभी पहला कौन सा लेते हैं? A का लेते हैं. Can I erase this one? Erase करते हैं. Now we have to find out the coordinates of the point of intersection. मतलब जो दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होता है तो उसका x कोऑर्डिनेट और y कोऑर्डिनेट. पहला अपन A लेते हैं. Point of intersection. Point of intersection. ये राइट हैंड साइड पे लिखने का. पहला वाला है A. A का क्या? A का x कितना है? देखो इधर A है ना. x कितना है? -4. y कितना है? 5. हो गया A. फिर सेकेंड बी, बी का आंसर क्या, बी कहाँ पे, ये बी का एक्स, पहले हमेशा एक्स देखने का, बी का एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट कितना है, ये कौन सा पॉइंट है, -1.5, और वाई कोऑर्डिनेट कितना 5 है ना सर, सिंपल। सी थर्ड इंटरसेक्शन, सी कहाँ पे, इधर है, सी का पहला एक्स कितना है -1.5, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट कितना है 1, सेम वे डी का, डी का पहिया, डी का एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट कितना है -4 और वाई कोऑर्डिनेट कितना है 1। Okay, these are called the coordinates of the point of intersection. कोई doubt students? This is sum number how much, 8, right? Okay, 7th or 8th. Okay.